Addition reaction. Another reaction is addition reaction. The reaction, what is addition reaction? The reaction in which an unsaturated hydrocarbon is converted into a saturated hydrocarbon. The reaction in which an unsaturated hydrocarbon is converted into a saturated hydrocarbon is known as addition reaction. Saturation and unsaturation. The saturated hydrocarbon is in this saturated hydrocarbon only single covalent bond is present in the compound, while in unsaturated hydrocarbon only double bond or triple bond is present. So that one is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. So if you see this ethene, a hydrocarbon compound, an unsaturated hydrocarbon compound in which double bond is present between these two carbon atom. So in this, hydrogen is added. So the reaction is known as addition reaction. In this reaction, addition of hydrogen occurs in presence of some catalyst such as nickel or palladium catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst is the substance which can speed up or increase the rate of a chemical reaction is known as catalyst. This substance does not increase or decrease the mass of reactant or product. So these are catalyst. And the addition of hydrogen is two hydrogen is added to both carbon atom. So this is an example of addition reaction. The product will form a saturated hydrocarbon. This one is known as ethane. The name of this compound is ethane, C2H6. The number of hydrogen here is 6. Number of carbon here is 2, C2H6, and the compound is known as ethane. This one is known as ethene. This is an alkene and known as ethene. We will read this addition reaction again in next chapter, that is carbon compound. So but we want to know the reaction earlier before reading. The formula of this is C2H4, 4 hydrogen, 2 carbon.